Is the New Jersey real estate market slowing down? I'm Alexander Wong, and welcome back to the second edition of the Real Estate Weekly, where we give out actionable tips, insights, and updated news regarding the New Jersey real estate market. So let's get right into it. Now, across the nation, housing inventory has been on the rise for 8 consecutive months, showing a significant 36.7% increase compared to last year. But how does New Jersey compare to that? While the south of New Jersey leads with a nearly 49% increase in listings, and the west at about 36%, the northeast trails in growth at around just 12.5%. Now, zooming into the fact of New Jersey, we see a mixed bag depending on the county you are in. A lot of counties are doing very good, a lot of counties are a little bit slower. So, such as Morris, Passaic, and Hudson counties, we have all seen their inventory swell, with Morris County at the forefront of that, boosting nearly 16% more listings compared to last June. However, it's not all about just growth. Sussex County has actually seen a decrease in new listings, dropping about 9% compared to last year. Now, in counties like Bergen and Essex, while new listings are slightly down compared to last year, the market remains active with hundreds of new properties being introduced. Now, despite these fluctuations in inventory, home prices in New Jersey continues to climb. Morris County, for instance, has seen the highest rise out of all, with median home prices reaching over $734,000, which is a 10.79% increase. Now, from Essex to Passaic, every county has witnessed a jump in listing prices, reflecting the strong demand for homes in that region. Now, homes are also selling faster than before, with properties in Morris and Essex counties spending less than a month on average on the market, anywhere between 17 and 22 days. Now, whether you are looking to buy or sell, understanding the trends and what is happening in today's market is absolutely crucial. North Jersey continues to be in a dynamic market, and staying informed will help you make the best decisions in an ever-changing landscape. So, to stay ahead of the curve and make sure that you are up to date, thank you for joining me. You may reach out to me at 908-415-3001. All my information is down below, and I'll see you guys for the next week of the Real Estate Weekly. Have a blessed one.